Hello, lovelies. Truly Tara here, and we have Glossybox today. Um, so I want you to stay until the end so I can tell you about the giveaway that I'm doing. Um, so like, subscribe, comment. We'll start with that, and let's unbox this. All right, and the theme, I guess, is bloom and grow. Okay. So first we have hair scrunchies. Hey, you can always use scrunchies. And a brush. And this brush, yay, I finally have a name. La Ruche? Or L.A. Root? I don't know. La Ruche? I'm just going to go with that. It doesn't say on the brush what kind it is. It looks just like a regular old blender brush. Okay, so next we have Elma's Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. I'm sure this has a, yeah, I'm not going to open that. Moisturizer, I'm sure that it's a good moisturizer. Okay, so now we have Elf. So you got a peach and a, I don't know, nude colors. Okay, commodity paper. Pretty sure that it is perfume. Yep. I don't like perfume. It gives me migraines, which is why I love it. I mean, it smells good, but that will definitely go into the giveaway. Perfume gives me headaches. There's something in most all perfumes and 99%. That's why I think I've become such a huge Truly Beauty fan, because I can wear all of their stuff and it makes me smell good, and I don't, it doesn't give me a headache. So, all right. So last we have Coochie Naturals Vanilla Shower Gel, and I've received that before, and it's good. I mean, okay, so what is Glossybox? Glossybox is $19.99, I think, a month. I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to do better about my prices. But I do get it once a month, and with shipping and all that stuff, most all of these boxes, their range is like $30. Truly's, that's more of a higher dollar box. Of course, FabFitFun is like 60. Therabox, I got one, it's 40. This is more, 25, between 20 and 30, but with shipping and everything, it ends up being 30. So, it was okay. I think I am going to give this box up because I've got it for so long and it just isn't as exciting as it used to be. I mean, you just seen that it wasn't that grand. And it's not that I don't, it's just that I don't need it. I don't need it anymore. So all that stuff I could do without. I want to start getting boxes of things that I like, the P. Louise and the Clever and Slay. These boxes have had amazing things in them. The palettes, there's at least one thing that I absolutely adore. Everything in that P. Louise box I absolutely adored. And if I didn't like it, my daughter loved it. So, these are the boxes that I'm more inclined to keep. But they're also new. So, and maybe that's why. Maybe if Glossybox was new to me, then I would keep it. I don't know. But that is one I've already got rid of. Look Fantastic. That one was just the same old stuff over and over. But if you go to their site, they have really awesome stuff. So why were they not putting that in their boxes? I don't get it. All right. I think one time I got You Beauty. And it was probably like the first Look Fantastic box, and that kind of hooked me for a very long time, and I never got anything else nearly like the U Beauty, because that U Beauty is expensive and it's good stuff. Okay, so I'm going to end it here, but I want to remind you that I want you to like, subscribe, comment, doing a giveaway because I've reached my 35 people. Um, so let me know, what do you want? Do you want skincare, makeup? And other than that, there was another question that I wanted to ask you. I think I'm just gonna ask a base, like, what colors do you guys like? Do you guys like nudes? And whenever you get, I've noticed getting boxes that I get, if they try to do a um okay, so like I got this Born This Way. This is a concealer. They have my information. This was way too dark for me. So I use it. I mean, it's good because I use it as a contour. Um, but that's supposed to be a concealer. How am I going to use that as a concealer? There's no way. So I use it as contour. Like, come on now. So do you have that problem? And um and just let me know what colors you like. I want to get a conversation going. I'm so glad that finally in my comments, I'm starting to hear from people. All right, so I'm going to end it, and I will see you guys in the next. Bye.